Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to Beirut on Emirates Airlines from Dubai. We're now driving to the airport. You can see the main buildings of Dubai like Burj Khalifa, Museum of the Future, and there's much more which I cannot cover in this video. We are checking in today from the business class area because I am a Emirates Skywards Gold frequent flyer. Although I'm flying economy, I enjoy this perk for now until I lose my gold, which I'm not far away, and the process is much better than flying in the economy section. The business class section for checking in is much quieter compared to the economy class section, and it's much faster. So now we are entering the checking in area. They have self-service kiosks, and they also have counters for first class and platinum as one section, and they have the business class and Skywards Gold in a different section. The silver Skywards members have a different section in the economy class, so still okay, but they don't enjoy fast track security nor fast track process for immigrations. Fortunately, today we are boarding from the Gates A, so it's a train to the Gates A, and also I prefer the lounges in Gate A. They are newer and less busy than Gates B, so it's quite good. And you can see now a few pictures of my experience in the lounge. I had a quick breakfast, unhealthy one, but still okay. Before I fly, I booked my eSIM on AIRALO. AIRALO provides eSIM almost all over the world, where I usually buy it everywhere I go before I take off. And it provides me connectivity once I land, which is amazing, without waiting for the Wi-Fi, and the prices are amazing. It can be even more amazing by using my discount code below, so just look at the comments and you'll be able to find my promo code for the AIRALO. Then we just are boarding now. We're showing you a quick process of how it goes. With Emirates Airlines, you can now board contactless, where you don't have to show your boarding pass and passport to the check-in team. So it's
your Emirates flight today. This is your no-nonsense safety video. We do not have dancers breaking into song, characters from movies, or celebrities trying to be funny, I'm afraid.
But at Emirates, safety always comes first.
Start feet down. You can also inflate or tuck up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. There's a light and whistle on your life jacket to attract attention. Having to give out life jackets or life pots.